Yep, you can do it, Jimmy. Easy, brother. Because here's a bit too much rock.
Yeah.
So, but here it's good deep.
Yeah.
So you cast out overside here. You know how to cast out, hey? You know how to cast a fishing rod? You hold the line and the rod, take this off.
Okay.
Alright. Put to one side. And when you flick, the rod, you take the finger off the line at the same time. Okay, so when you flick it, you go like this.
All right.
Okay?
Yeah.
You let the drag go a little bit, because if a big fish come, you snap the rod, snap it.
Okay.
So you let this happen. If a big fish come, take it, he won't snap the rod. Okay, he won't snap all your stuff.
Okay.
Now you hold on and wait for the
Thank you, Simon. Thank you very much.
Welcome, mate. Set the next one up for Danani.
Yeah, he's an expert fisherman. Yeah.
Don't you drop that camera.
We are coming today fishing. It's near to by our the river. Northern river is that area. See, that's the river. It's beautiful river. That's pretty good today. Morning is raining, but it's not now raining. It's good weather. See, here, there is my family, my wife, and my son. Okay. Okay. We are now waiting for fishing. Let's see what is going on. Okay, see someone are drinking, throw the bottle up here. It's not good. It's not good. When you drink something, when you eat something, your rubbish put in the bin. It's not good. We need to love for environment. It's nice, beautiful. It's beautiful. See, the sky is getting dark because of the morning raining. Now it's not raining, so hopefully we can get the big fish. Yeah, let's. Hi, Sanu.
We unflew this one first, like that. Otherwise it won't work because it's wrapped on the rod. Okay, wind up a bit more. Whoop, that's enough. Plenty, plenty. No more. No more. Bring it down now. The tip down. Thank you very much. I'm not 6 foot, mate.
Yes.
Daddy!
Fish?
Catch fish!
Oh.
Casino fish! You see fish there? Probably they've seen the chicken. The chicken's a fish. No, it's not a chicken. Row over your head out to the river. Yep. And let go at the handle at the same time. Nearly, you'll learn it. That was a good try, buddy. Take this off, put that off. Now, you left or right-hander?
I can do this side.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you flick it and let go of this at the same time, but release this when it's out there.
Yeah.
Yep, go. Yeah, see? You are too good. Now you put this back.
Yeah.
Now you're ready to fish. Good girl. Easy done for you. Well done. Well done, mate. Told you, easy. Once you touch 1, 2 times, easy.
Yeah.
Oh, you lost everything.
What happened?
Somebody lost all their fishing line and their float.
Oh.
They stuck here, they tried to fish here and they got stuck on the tree and they lost everything. That's silly.
Careful, Simon. How it's going?
No, it's not.
No.
I think it's mid-tide because of the wind. Wind come to that side. That's why.
I fish with the lure, not the bait.
Yes. You want to come there?
No, 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 no need to come here. No need to come here. Please wait at there. No. Way is too dangerous to you. No need to come here. You stay at that side. Yeah, please.
Yeah. Kalian marangin nang reo.
Kawan ikan ni daw.
Allala, allala. Allala.
They swim like a fish. I show you. I'll bring it in and you have a look. I'll bring it in next to you. It swims like a fish.
Yeah.
In the park.
You guys see?
Yeah. Yeah.
Right here. Take this off. There's rubbish here. But when it swims in the water, oh, fish is there. Get ready for your carp. There's a big carp just here in the water here.
Yeah.
Get ready on your line.
Give me.
Big carp was just there. You see your corn, he will hit it for sure.
It's a bit raining.
A little bit rainy,
Yeah.
but it's good. A little bit rain makes the fish hungry, hopefully. Got a carp. There's some big carp in here.
Beautiful river. Very beautiful. Look at that. Sleeping. Sleeping.
We find it, mate. Hold your pole, buddy.
It's go there. Up.
Yep, we
Up.
find it, mate.
Yeah.
Do not leave your pole in the river. We find it, mate.
It's about coffee.
Yeah, we find your pole.
The beach truck.
Mama, you alright? You want me to carry some stuff? Which way they going? Bushwalk.
They're going other road.
Oh, yep.
Easy.
You okay?
Yeah. Wait. Don't move.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
Don't move. Don't move. Wait.
You want to give me thong?
No. It's okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
watch out.
Yeah, it's alright. You want me to take him?
No.
You got the thong? Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
So go. Let's go see.
Let's go. You can go.
Yeah.
How
I
hard
can
work walking up, Dad?
one. Okay.
Yeah.
Come on, Papa. Come on, Papa.
Yeah. Okay. All good.
You're welcome, brother.
Thanks.
It's now easy for us. Now easy for us. Just here we can walk easy here. You're fit, man.
Yeah.
Hi, Mama. Which way are you going?
Yeah.
Go there.
Yeah. You can see we are staying there. Come on. Up top. Still wife and mother-in-law down. Yeah. We are not catching fish today.
Got
Unlucky. Next time we try.
right.
Yeah. Good fun, right?
Yeah. Watch it.
It's good fun.
Fun.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go out.
Did you enjoy it?
Let's go out.
Yeah.
Danny.
Let's go house. Is thunder's coming. Did you enjoy? Ooh. Okay, shall we go?
Danny. Danny.
Raining, yeah. Raining. Good. It's good. Okay,
Danny.
we're done.
Danny.
We're done.
Danny.
Ooh. Ooh. There we go.
Walking.
Beautiful. It's a Batman. It's Batman. Batman. Are you cold? No? You wet? You want to remove this? Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
Rose got red.
Wet. Clothes is wet. Yes. We can remove it, okay?
Moon.
It's thunder.
Running. Running. Go running.
Flowers. Good fun.
You like it?
Yeah.
Me show you.
Good fun.
Keep this.
Thank you very
Keep
much.
this one.
Yeah.
Keep
Thanks.
this one for you, for Daddy, for fishing. He come here, take this one, fish.
Yeah. next time we can catch here. It's still locked.
Wife have key.
Yeah.